NLP enables AI to understand, interpret, and process human language in textual form. Means like when you are giving a command to Chat GPT. Right? So basically, Chat GPT is what you are giving a textual command for in the command in the textual form, and it understands, interprets what you want to say, and then replies accordingly. And so NLP acts as an intelligent translator, converting complex medical text into structured and analyzable informations. And applications in clinical trial includes like extracting information from EHR. EHR is electronic health records, and the NLP scans medical records to identify eligible patients for trials, summarizing clinical trials finding. So it can generate concise summaries of trial result from large report, which requires hundreds and hundreds of people and like months to compile the data. So AI can make it very quick and accurate as well. And AI uh, analyze physician notes also. AI extracts relevant insights from the doctor's notes to improve patient and screening as well. So these are advantages. Any question? Okay. So the natural language processing has these capabilities. And now what are the use of NLP? Like it can automate medical record analysis, extract insights from research publications, and standardizing medical terminology, generating comprehensive trial protocols. And if we like practical, what is the practical applications model? So imagine an NLP system that can read thousands of medical research papers in minutes, which a human will take years to complete. So that can be done. Like if there is a medical research paper of 200 pages and there are 200 medical research papers, so it can be read by AI or the natural language processing or even your chat GPT in just fraction of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, or even maximum 5 minutes, which you will take at least 2 years to complete. Fine. And it can extract the key findings from all the research papers. You can take an example, you can just practice it. Do something like if you have some book with you or any report, anything, just upload on the chat GPT through the attach button and give a command. I'll later on in this session I'll train you how to give proper command. So give a command. Please give me the key findings of this book in 20 points. If you want it point wise, if you want paragraph wise, you can write in 500 words, 200 words. So it will summarize the entire thing in 200 words or the 5 or 50 points. And it can synthesize comprehensive literature reviews also, and identify emerging research trends. So it will also see what are the emerging trends globally by reading all the research papers. So this is very effective if we use AI, and obviously the industry using AI. So we need to understand how we can use the AI. There is a terminology which is called the computer vision, sorry, in the AI. What is computer vision in AI? So, computer vision allows AI to process, analyze medical imaging. It's like basically eye. Like our vision works, so computer is working as a vision. So it analyzes medical imaging data. Computer vision technology provides superhuman capability in the medical imaging. Suppose, as I told you, like there is a minor development of tumor in any patient, and through CT scan, it may be possible that human cannot detect, but AI can detect that yes, there is a minor growth or minor reduction in that. So the automate image analysis, AI can detect tumors in radiology image with higher accuracy than the human experts. And monitoring disease progression also, the AI analyze MRI and CT scans and PET scans also to assess the treatment effectiveness. What we studied, I think, in our like the biomarkers. So AI can detect the biomarkers. AI identifies visual pathological slides, aiding in drug efficacy assessments also. So the AI identifies visual biomarkers in pathology slides, aiding to the drug efficacy assessment. So basically, AI not only reads the text format, AI also analyze the visual like the image formats also. So computer vision algorithm might detect even the 0.1 mm tumor variations that a human radiologist might miss, potentially enabling early interventions. And we can detect early the disease progressions, and we can come up with the right solutions. So AI is obviously it will not only it will impact the clinical trial, but also it will impact the medical sciences. It will impact the medical sciences because AI is going to replace or replace not replace but support like the physicians also, because AI will have all the medical data and it can quickly give the findings of the treatment, or you can even analyze and give the predictions like what are the disease and what could be the right uh, drug. Because what is the challenge? Suppose taking an example of a medical doctor. So medical doctor is trained by the MR or the pharma companies that for this disease, these are the molecules available in the market. But with the AI has the data of all the entire world. Fine. So for the same disease, it will analyze which is the best medicine being given in the world. So it will give the right and a very accurate medicine. And multiple times you have seen that doctors are changing drugs multiple times because they are like working as a hit and trial method. They are giving you drugs, analyzing the progression or the effectiveness, and then they want to change the power, or they want to change the molecules as well. Whereas the AI will not make that mistake. It will come up with a very accurate solutions. This is just a code illustration of the Python programming, because machine learning, this is a machine learning patient prediction command given in the Python, because Python is one of the most effective programming language for the AI. So if somebody of you wants to make a career in AI in clinical trial, you can start learning Python. We may be launching some course later in maybe in 6 months, uh, because this is not for the pharmacy graduates. They don't feel interested in programming language. But yes, if you want to make a career in AI, you should learn the Python programming. And through this, you can get a bigger positions in the clinical research organization, because like a SAS programmer or the R programmer, similarly, the Python programmer will be there for the AI instructions and manipulating AI data through AI. So this was just the introduction, right? Now, we're talking about the robotics and automation. So AI-driven robotics improves efficiency of various process in clinical trial, like automate laboratory process. Suppose you are doing the in vivo, in vitro process, so it's take a lot of time. But robots handle sample processing and data recording in drug development very quickly and very effectively. AI assist robotic surgery also. Most of us have studied about the heard about the robotic surgery. The robots are conducting surgery. So when used in clinical studies to improve precisions and patient outcomes. So through AI, the robotic surgery can be more precise, and the patient outcome can be more effective, and the better outcome can be there. It can automate drug dispensing, like AI powered robots ensures accurate dosing in the trial participants. So like when the injections, like if you saw that in the COVID, everybody was being vaccinated. Basically, that drug was not the actual drug. That was the emergency drug. And the emergency approval was given by the regulatory authorities. But you might have seen that somebody was given 10 ml, someone 8 ml, someone like 9 ml, the vaccine doses, variable doses, because human can make the mistake, and human makes the mistake while giving the injections or the powder or anything. Whereas the AI will not make the mistake; it will make very accurate dosing, and the standard result can be analyzed from the AI powered the drug dispensing system. Now, there is a term which is called the deep learning. So, deep learning is a subset of ML, machine learning, and it a very uh, simple terminology from the name itself. So, it utilizes artificial neural network to analyze complex data. Means it goes very deep inside the data. It applies the logics also, and come up with a very complicated results can be taken out through the deep learning. So this application includes genomic and proteomic analysis. So AI identifies disease-related genetical marker for precision medicines, because genetical variations are very large. We have to study thousands and thousands and millions of genetical variations, and then we can come up with the right solutions. And we can predict the disease progression. AI forecast how disease evolve over time based on the patient history. It may be 100 years history, 200-year history. These are the programming language part of the ML used for the predicting disease progressions, personalized medicines, AI customized treatment plans based on the individual patient data. So basically, this is one topic of the. Now coming to the popular AI tools in clinical trial, which is presently being used, and there are lots, hundreds of the multiple tools are being developed and under the development, and you will see within like 2 3 years all the new technology and tools. The first is like the Python is the core of AI. Most of the AI is being developed through the Python only. So Python is the leading programming language for AI application in clinical trial. There are two, three libraries. Libraries are basically set of codes, set of programs where it has the capability of doing the specific task. So for the like Python has multiple libraries, but for the clinical trial, there are generally as of now there are three libraries. First is called TensorFlow. It is used for deep learning applications such as image recognition and NLP, natural language processing. And Skit Learn, it implements classic ML, machine learning algorithm for predictive analysis in patient recruitment. Right? And PyTorch is one library. Basically, it enables flexible deep learning model for medical image processing, the biomarker analysis and the CT scan analysis. It is done for that. Even this will be so advanced in coming time, like if you have a wound or like ultrasound imaging, endoscopic imaging, and even from the ultrasound it can read the image and can analyze the accurate disease and can predict the accurate treatment as well. So these are the basics, and I told you those who are interested in programming can learn Python, otherwise you can skip. So these are the basic platforms that are being used for clinical trial. One is like IBM Watson, AI-powered drug discovery and clinical trial optimization software, and Microsoft Azure AI, that is AI-driven analytics for healthcare and clinical trial data. This is used for the data analytics. And the Google AI also there, cloud-based machine learning tool for the big data processing in trials. So if you want to process the data of 1,000 people, want to do the pharmacovigilance of 1,000 people simultaneously, this can be fed with the data and trial data. It can read the data in minutes and can come up with the actual findings. So these are the basically major. There are multiple platforms, but these are the major platforms that are being used by the industry. Now, the clinical trial specific AI solutions. So specialized AI platforms designed for clinical trial include one is Medidata AI. This is AI powered patient recruitment and risk based monitoring system. And another is Sama AI, which enhances clinical trial data analytics and decision making. So these are the two major AI being used in the industry as of now. So this was your introduction for today, and we'll go deep and deep into the AI. And even if we talk about the Indian training industry for the fresh graduates, they are not considering AI for the clinical trial. I don't know why they are so delayed. But yes, there are some institutions who have introduced AI, but only Chat GPT or Google Gemini, they are training on the how to give command. But the AI is not limited to that much, because clinical trial is not so simple, so straightforward process, a very complicated life risking process. Even a single mistake can make a big impact on human life or damage to the human life. So it needs a lot of like improvement and a lot of enhancement also. So yes, AI is a new technology and it will evolve. But yes, you have to understand the entire process, and even you have to be part of the journey, because in coming 5 6 years you'll be seeing a lot of people, uh, even the senior people being unemployed, because their job will go away. The region, mostly with the like, I'm not threatening you people, but this awareing you people that what is the worst part with the life sciences graduates? They are less keen to learn technologies, but the coming days are of technologies, and you have to adapt the technology, then you can grow, otherwise you will be out of the race. Like it happened in year 2000 when there was dot-com bubble. So the people who learned computer, they came into the mainstream. Who who don't learn the computer, they are not at that level, you know that. And so it's time to adapt the technology, it's time to learn new technologies and invest your time. So that's why I have designed this course and will be delivered in a very long duration. I'll not complete in 1 month or 15 days. It will go hand in hand with your entire training. We'll have like one session in a week or maybe two sessions in a week. The reason behind, we want you to correlate your syllabus with the AI, and that then only you can take advantage of the entire course. Fine. So I think this was from my side. If you have anything to discuss, you can just ask.